We are jumping straight into creating artifacts in Claude AI, so you can get a dedicated workspace right next to your chat. First, click your initials or profile icon in the bottom left corner of the interface to open your main menu. Now, click on the Settings option. If your account has access to early tools, you will see a tab labeled Feature Preview. But in my case, I must click on Capabilities and looking for section called Visuals. Look down the list until you find the toggle switch for artifacts and click it so it is toggled on. If you already see it highlighted, you are good to go. If the option is missing completely, refresh your web browser or check for an app update, then head back into Settings to try again. The critical trade-off to keep in mind here is that while this gives you a clean, interactive window for large pieces of content, it means you can no longer view that specific output as a standard, continuous text block inside the main chat stream. Now, look at your left sidebar. Find where it says Artifacts and click it to open your dedicated gallery space. Here, you should see some inspiration, your already made artifacts, or a blank page like in my case. Move your cursor at the New Artifact button and click on it. Now, you must choose a category, for instance, Documents and Templates, and then describe Claude what you want to build. Hit Enter and send the message. Watch the right side of your screen. A brand new panel will slide open automatically next to your chat window, and you will see your document or code render in real time. If the window fails to appear, back out of the current prompt. Verify in your settings menu that the toggle is still switched on, and resubmit your request with more specific formatting details.